గాడిని వెళ్తారా తర్వాత 12:30కి అయిపోతుంది.
If we are late, they'll communicate. Manoj, thank you. Right, look here. Right, look here. I am taking one program now. First, we have to cross check auto commit is true or false. Then you have to off that auto commit and we have to start the process. That is a transaction management. In transaction management, you have to keep your auto commit as a false. That's the first target for this one. So I am taking project. JDBC application transaction, click on finish. DBCon 13. Java.SQL. Right. So here, first I'll create connection, loading driver and creating connection. I created a connection here. Observed? Right. I have loaded the driver, created the connection. Now let me check that auto commit once. Okay, right. So system.out.println commit status. I want to know the commit status. That only this method. What is the first one now? Second one now? Get auto commit. I want to know what is the status of commit operation. By using this method, I can know the commit operation status. So for this, I'll write con dot get auto commit. The return type of get auto commit is true or false. So if commit operation status is true, it displays true. If not, it displays false. See, I'm running. Can you see? Commit operation process is true means auto commit operation. So you have to off it. Whenever you want to off it now, set auto commit. Here you write false like this. Con dot set auto commit. I'll write false. So I kept my commit operation false. Understood that? After setting that commit operation false, so this is stopped auto commit operation. So by using con dot set auto commit false, auto commit operation has been stopped from your Java program. Now let us check the status. The status should be false. Can you see? Now the commit operation became false, no? Right. Now we have to do. Now as if like your SQL command line, now it is updated in the buffer. From that buffer, we are going to update in the database. When you will update it, sir, if all my sub transaction is completed, that is a rule, no? If all my sub transactions are completed, the process of completing all the sub transactions successfully and performing commit operation is known as atomicity. So we have to check all that. Here sub transactions means what, sir? According to our program, subtracting 3000 from account number 6123456 and adding the 3000 to the account 313131. So this is two sub transactions. These two sub transactions completed successfully or not, I'm going to check it. Then I'm going to perform commit. So finally, in transaction management, we have to stop auto commit operation. For that, set auto commit is equal to false. The method used to set auto commit operation to false because Java applications will perform commit operation automatically. This method is used to set auto commit operation to false because Java applications will perform commit operation automatically. These are notes. So one is get auto commit now. This method is used to know the status of commit operation, whether it is true or false. Right. Commit operation, whether it is true or whether it is false. Commit operation, whether it is true or false. So I written the method signatures also, how they are available. From your library, I written this method signatures. So then comes your commit and rollback. Two methods to be remembered, commit and rollback. We use commit method to update data from buffer to database when transaction is successful. Update the data from buffer to database when transaction is successful. Rollback. We use rollback method to get original state of buffer when the transaction failed. And we specify the rollback operation using save point. Right. So commit and roll back. See there, all of you. Right. Right. Look here, completed. Right. So what is this commit and what is this rollback? For 5 minutes, see there. Roughly I'm speaking, look here. Here also buffer only, here also. Through Java program, it is updated in the buffer. Through that buffer, it is updated in the database. We stopped that auto commit operation, false. Don't go to database directly. First update in the buffer. Got it right? Suppose here in the buffer through Java program, I'm updating some lines and coming. Imagine it like this. When the transaction failed, what are the modifications happened here? It has to come back to the original state. That is known as rollback. Once it is successful, update in the database product. That's called commit. Roughly, one mathematics teacher example, he starts writing one solution for the problem, some problem. He asks the students to wait, don't copy it. I'll be doing the problem. He starts writing the problem. At last, one solution, but solution failed. When the solution failed, what happened now? Again, he rubs the lines and come back or not now? That's called rollback. He rubs means what? He's coming to original state and again he's starting or not? It's called rollback. So when the transaction failed, go back. Go back means go to the original state before modification. It's called rollback. Whenever you want to roll back now, I must know no, from where I should start again. If not, to which line I must roll back. For that only we call it as save point. We are taking one save point for rollback. That only. Set save point, release save point. Means if you want to take one save point, if you don't want that save point, you can remove that save point. So two methods are available: set save point and release save point. The method is used to set save point for rollback operation. This method is used to set save point for rollback operation. Means whenever you want to get back to some state, some save point must be there. That only concept of save point. If you want to remove that save point now, this method is used to delete save point from the buffer. Actually, save point is available in the buffer only. We set in the buffer, and from there we update and come. Whenever the transaction failed, we roll back to that save point and rub it. If the transaction is successful, then commit, means update in the original database. That is the meaning of rollback, commit, set save point, release save point. So these are the 6 methods to be remembered. Set auto commit, get auto commit, commit, rollback, set save point, release save point. These 6 methods you have to remember regarding your transaction management. Right. Now I am starting the process and the program I am typing now. Right. Now, if completed, I'll start it. General, I'll be typing the notes now. Your time is there for you. But today, I copied the notes. Right. If completed, example program I'm starting. See there what I'm doing now. So database table is there. This is status. The database table. Already we had a table here. database table available in one database product. This database product is available in one machine. Machine means stored and available there. Now, here we had operating system. Here, operating system is there. This is OS. OS. Now, here our Java program will be there. Below this, our Java program. This is our Java program area anyway. Now, part of this program, I am taking one save point now. This is save point. Return type is a save point. Can you see here? Right. So, save point SP is equal to con dot some set save point. I am taking one save point. When the transaction fail, I'll roll back up to this SP. That's the concept actually. Okay, right. Before finding this commit operations, I will take two prepared statements. I will take it. PS1 is equal to con dot prepared statement. In this prepared statement, I am taking one query structure, that is select star from bank 41 where account number is equal to. So we are working based on the account number. Means this query will support you to check that account number is available or not generally. And one query structure, prepared statement, PS2 is equal to con dot prepare statement. Here, update means changes, no? Right. You have to subtract amount from one account and you have to add the amount to another account. So one query is update. Update bank 41 set balance. Here I took the column name, no, balance, BALANCE. Balance is equal to BALANCE, balance plus value. So already balance will be there. The balance must be added with new value. Okay, right. Now, where account number is equal to, based on account number only must do the operation. Like this, one to do update operation, one to do retrieve operation. We added two query structures. So this is the two query structures compiled and the structures are ready. They are ready for execution. That's the meaning, right? Okay. Now you have to start it. First, you have to start reading the account number. So first you have to read the account number of person who is transferring the amount. So who is transferring the amount now? Raj. Raj is transferring the amount. So Raj is transferring the amount means his account number is home account number. Means from which account number you are transferring, that is home account number. So here system dot out dot print ln, enter home account number, means the person who is sending the data, right? Okay. Now we are reading the account number. Long home account number is equal to yes dot next long. Yes, where is scanner? Scanner yes is equal to new scanner of system dot in. Here s dot next long. S dot close. Like this. After reading this home account number, check that home account number is available or not. Check that home account number is available or not. Okay, right? Now, PS1 dot set long of parameter index home account number. Home account number. Now, based on this, result set RS is equal to PS1 dot execute query. Now the query is executed. When the query is executed, the data will be available on the result set, no? Yes or no? Result set 1, right? Okay. If that RS1 dot next, if record is means if the RS dot next is true, the record and account number is available. Else account number not available. System dot out dot print ln. So print ln here invalid home account number. You entered account number wrongly here. It's a theory. In the diagrammatical form, what happened here? Here, what happens is your prepared statement 0x111 0x what is this 0x111. Now this is prepared statement 1. Prepared statement 1. In this prepared statement 1, we are having a query. This one, this is a query. This is the query. So in this query, I'm not writing total query, understood. Where account number? Only one parameter index is there now, right? So one parameter index means one field. Yes or no? Now, we are reading that home account number. We are reading 6123456. We are reading. We are setting this home account number here. Six 12345 by using this line. Yes or no? Yes, no? Right. By using this line, we are setting it out. We set it. Account number is set it. Now you have to execute it now. This one. Whenever you execute this one now look here, what happens internally? The data will come from database table, the data will come to buffer first. From that buffer, the data will come to result set. Now, how many records will come out now? Only one record based on home account number like this. Sir, into the buffer, here buffer, into this operating system buffer, into this operating system buffer, the record will come out. 6123456 Raj 12,000 and savings. That record will come out and available in the buffer. This is one operating system buffer. Understood this point? All right. So only one record will come out of this buffer. Sorry, come out onto this buffer. And from this buffer, the data will come and available on the result set. The data will be available on the result set object. Now 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Raj 12,000 and savings. Now it is available in the form of record. Now 0x sum 222. And this is available on the result set 1. RS1. Already you know one cursor will be waiting here. You know the concept. Now from this buffer, the data will be pointing here. That's the concept. Have you understood this? They will be pointing. That's the imagination. So definitely buffer will be there. Now I'll move this cursor down now. Now I will move this cursor down. That only RS1 dot next. Have you got it now? Right. Now it is true, no? True means record available. Whenever it is true now, here in the column number 3, this is column number 1 and this is column number 2 and this is column number 3 and this is column number 4. In column number 3, balance is there. Balance is there, no? So bring that balance outside. Because we must know that home account number is having how much balance to transfer the data. So for logic purpose, bring that balance outside. So how will bring it now? Sir, I will take one variable here. That is float BAL is equal to RS1 dot get float from column number where now? 3. Understood? So I took that 12,000 and loaded onto one temporary variable BAL. For logic purpose, I loaded. For logic purpose, I brought this balance and loaded here. So BAL is equal to 12,000. I brought this balance and I loaded here. All of you understood this point now, right? Over. Now, once the home account number is available, we brought the balance. Now take the account number of beneficiary account number. Beneficiary account number means to whom you are going to send the data is called beneficiary account number. So ask to enter the beneficiary account number here. Inside the if condition, system.out.println, enter the beneficiary account number. Enter beneficiary account number. Enter beneficiary account number long. Beneficiary account number is equal to s dot next long. Understood this point now? Now I am reading to whom you are going to send it. Enter the beneficiary account number to whom you are going to send the data. Right. Now I am going to send the data to Ram. Ram account number is what now? 313131 roughly. Right. Now I am reading beneficiary account number. Beneficiary account number is equal to 3131. Sorry. 313131. All of you got this? Right. Again, I have to check it, no? That beneficiary account number is available or not, I have to check it. Whenever I want to check that beneficiary account number, run the same query. The same query, you run it. The same query structure, you run it by changing this account number to 313131. Understood, everyone? Right. Run the same query structure one more time by changing it out. So what is the syntax here now? Sir, here ps1 dot set long, sorry, correct only, no, set long 1 parameter index 1. This is beneficiary account number. This is beneficiary account number. So I executed the query once again, no? Right. So based on that 313131, now the second record will come out. Yes or no? Yes. The second record will come into another buffer. Into another buffer. So here 313131 RAM 500 and savings. And savings. Now, whenever I say result set here, I not executed, no? Right. Here, result set now. Result set RS2 is equal to PS1 dot execute query. PS1 dot execute query. So whenever I executed query, the retrieved onto buffer. From buffer, it will come to one result set. One more result set, no, this one. Right. One more result set. Now, 313131 RAM 500 and savings. Cursor. Got it now? Now we have to move this cursor down and check it. Record is available or not, you have to check it. Yes or no? Right, you have to move it. So for this one we are imagining 0x333, the address available in RS2. Available in RS2. We are imagining. So RS2 dot next, because results set separate now, right? So here RS, if RS2 dot next, else. If it is else now, system dot out dot println invalid beneficiary account number. Invalid beneficiary account number. If it is else, if it is true, account number is available. All of you got this point now, right? Okay. Now, once the beneficiary account number is available, now enter the amount to be transferred. Enter the amount to be transferred. See there. Now system dot out dot println. Enter the amount to be transferred. So how much amount you are planning to transfer it? Enter that amount to me. Int amount is equal to s dot next int. Got it? Right. Enter the amount to be transferred. Whatever the amount you entered, roughly, I entered one amount. Now I am reading the amount. So amount is equal to 3000 I entered. Amount is equal to 3000 I entered. The amount what you entered must be compared with the balance, no? Yes or no? Because if that first person, Rama, I forget it. If Raj want to transfer the data to Ram, and whatever the amount you are selecting to transfer 3000, that should be less than your balance first, 12,000. Right. For that, I am putting one condition here. If that entered amount is less than or equal to balance, perform the transaction. If not, you can say insufficient fund. System dot out dot print. You don't have that much of fund to transfer. Insufficient fund. You don't have that much of fund to transfer. Suppose the entered amount is less than balance. Now start it. Understood? Anyway, auto commit is false. It will not move anywhere. If any updation, if you do, it is happens in the buffer only. Okay, right. Already update command syntax is there here only. This is update command. PS2. PS2. This update command related. This is update command. Update command means update query structure 0x1010 roughly. So here update. I am deleting this. No need, you can understand. So here how many parameter indexes are there now? 2 parameter indexes. Observe there, right? Okay. Now this is 1 and this is 2. This is 1 and this is prepared statement 2. The query structure is available there, no? Right. Now let me run it now. So now the amount is ready. Amount is ready inside this. Here I must update it. First I must subtract the amount from home account number. I must subtract it. 3000 I must subtract it. Clear, right? See, I am subtracting. So PS2 dot set float parameter index 1 for the account number beneficiary, sorry, home account number. 1 minute. 1 and amount. PS2 dot set long parameter index 2. This is home account number. I'll draw these 2 lines there. Here. These 2 lines are selected, but here it should be minus amount. Why minus amount? Subtraction, no? Right. It should be minus amount here. I'll show that. These are the two lines I'm trying to add it now. I'm trying to add here the two lines. Now look here. Here, PS2 means this one, no? This is PS2. Yes or no? Now set the amount now. PS2 set float for parameter index 1, that is amount. Means take this amount, set to the parameter index. Understood this now, right? Now that is minus amount plus amount minus amount minus 3000. Understood this, everyone? So I am setting this minus 3000 to here. This is the parameter index or not now here, right? Now home account number, I am taking home account number from here. I am setting this home account number here. What is home account number here now? 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. So home account number or not now? So I am setting this home account number here. And if you got this right, now in this, after setting this value, that is the value settings. Now you have to execute update. No, update query is nothing but execute update. Okay, right? See there. In your program here, int I is equal to ps2 dot execute update. I'm using one line now. Int I is equal to execute update. I'm using execute update. I'm using execute update. Now ps2 dot execute update. Now you have to execute the query. No, how it is executed now? Update bank 41 set balance is equal to balance plus minus 3000. Plus and minus, it becomes minus or plus. Mathematics, you don't know. Balance minus 3000. Okay, right? Based on what now? Account number. Sir, where it is updated? See there, all of you. This updation happens in the buffer. Where it is updated now? In the buffer. Understood this point now? This updation happens in the buffer. Means what? In this buffer, 12,000 minus 3,000, it becomes what now? 9,000. All of you understood this? Now database table is not updated. Database table is not updated. Why? Means commit is under my control. Right? Okay. Now whenever it is updated successfully in the buffer, whenever I updated successfully in the buffer, this execute update method will say that we executed successfully, I value will be 1. What is the I value will be now? 1. Sir, why 1 now? Because 1 record updated. How many records updated? The number will come out. So execute update method will say 1 record among that I executed, sorry, updated. So return type is 1. So I will get 1. All of you got this point now, right? Now, okay, fine. Don't do commit operation because you subtracted amount from your Raj, but still you not added to RAM. If you do commit operation, what happened now? Amount will be detected from the Raj. It will not be added to the RAM. Transaction will be failed because of the auto commit is false. We stopped it. Okay, right? Now updated in the buffer. If anything goes wrong, roll back. Roll back means what? Rub from the buffer. Come back to the original state. That only roll back. So database not affected. Original things are not affected. Understood now? Now I'll go with the second one. Okay, sir, fine. Go with the second one. One more time you run the query now. Query structure. I will run it now. PS2 dot set float. Where is this? PS2 dot set float. Set float. Parameter index 1. This is plus amount. For the second time, it is plus amount. PS2 dot set long. For whom now? Parameter index 2 for beneficiary account number. And here int sum j is equal to PS2 dot execute update. So here what happens, or see what happens. Right, see there. So what happened here now? Sir, plus amount. I am running the query structure once again now. I am running the query structure once again. Now take this amount. Take this amount. Once again, take this amount. Update in the parameter index. Here, update it. Whenever I updated parameter index, instead of minus 3000, it becomes what now? Plus 3000. If you don't add minus, it becomes plus only, no? Right, okay. Now, beneficiary account number, take this beneficiary account number. Now, update this beneficiary account number here. Now, here, this account number will be 313131. Observe this, right? Now, PS2 dot execute. Once again, the query is executed, no? Right. Now, you are executing. The execution updates the buffer. It updates the buffer of 3131 or not now? Right. How it updates now? Sir, balance plus 3000 here based on account number 313131. Already balance is 500 is there now. 500 plus 3000. What is the updation here now? 3000 to 500 will be there. If the updation happened successfully here, now J value will get to 1. All of understood this? What is I value now? 1. What is J value now? 1. Now you do the commit operation. Now you do the commit. How will you do the commit now? I will check, sir. I value is equal to 1. J value is equal to 1. Then I'll confirm it. The two sub transactions are successful. Then I'll do the commit. See there. Now I will check the condition here. Down. Right? If that I value equal to 1 and J value equal to 1, then I will check it. Then I'll check what now? Transaction successful. Means first you have to commit it. What is the commit now? Con dot commit. Understood this point or not now? Con dot commit and put a message. System dot out dot println transaction successful. Suppose if anything is failed here, control will come here and say that con dot roll back to SP. You're going back to the SP or not now? SP means what now? Save point. You're coming back to save point or not now? When you come back, what happened now? What are the updations happened in the buffer will come back to the original state. So here transaction failed. So system dot out dot println transaction failed. Now what happened here, sir? Whenever both are successful, you understood the concept anyway. So dot dot both are successful, then perform commit. Commit means what? Update the versional. Versional database will be updated. Here what will become now? 9,000. Here 3,500. Commit means updating the versional database table. That's a concept. Until then, the updation is available in the buffer. As a transaction management, we people should take the auto commit operation to under our control, making it as a false. So theory. Can I run the program? Right. See there, I am running. So this is the versional. I will run the program. Right. I stopped the commit operation. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Beneficiary account number 313131. Enter the amount 3,000. Right. Go and check here. Can you see? If the concept is under our control, program will be under our control. Understood this point? It is updated. dbcon. I'll run that program once again. See there. dbcon 13 dot java. See there. Other conditions I given, no? Other conditions. Whether all that else blocks are working or not. Home account number 2345. Home account number not there. Invalid home account number. Right. Now I entered home account number correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Beneficiary account number 3, 4, 5, 6. Not there. Invalid beneficiary account number. Now 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Beneficiary account number 313131. Enter the amount. Sir, I want amount 10,000, sir. 10,000 not there. Already 3,000 transferred. He is having permanent is there. Permanently available in the database now. So already he transferred 3,000. Only 9,000 is there. 10,000 not there actually. Insufficient fund. Getting no? Working no? Right. Here, who understand this concept? PIN number. If you entered PIN number wrongly for 3 times, display transaction blocked. Keep that concept. Who understood this? Core Java logic that is. So bring that core Java logic here. Say that if you enter the PIN number wrongly for 3 times, means account number. Your PIN number means your account number. If the account number entered wrongly for 3 times here, right? Send the message, give the message as a transaction blocked. Try that. Who are from core Java. Right. Understood and everyone? Right. Okay, diagram there. I'll paste it. So transaction management, the meaning is nothing but this is a concept only here. The concept is transaction means set of statements executed on one resource or set of resources using ACID property is known as a transaction. Transaction management means the transaction from starting to ending. Now I controlled, no? Right. So as a developer, the total thing is under my control actually. From starting to ending, the transaction should be under my control. That's called transaction management. For that first step is nothing but your Java programs are auto commit operations. They will perform auto commit operations, be careful. Because of this reason, we have to stop that auto commit operation by taking a method known as a set auto commit to false. Automatically commit operation is stopped. So whatever you update it, that is updated in the buffer and waiting for you. From there, you can do commit, basic thing. Then the steps are set auto commit false. First step one. Step two, take one save point. So how to take the save points your project will say, because a transaction management we do with Hibernate or Spring. So this is only concept here. Concept is nothing but the transaction should be under our control by making our auto commit operation false. Demo purpose, one save point. After that, some parameters there. Internally, I'll cross check it whether the amount detected from one account or not, and the amount is added to another account or not. Until then, I'll stop that commit. If the two are successful, I'm doing commit. If not, I'll do rollback. That's the concept behind it. How many methods are available related to transaction management? 6 methods, we remember it. One is get auto commit to know what is the status of commit operation. Set auto commit, making it false. Then one commit, one rollback, and setting one save point. If you don't want, you can release that save point. So these are the 6 methods to be remembered. And with this, these 6 methods are belongs to your connection only. See there. Connection is having how many methods now? 10 methods. Means many methods are there. I took 10. You know, create statement, you know, prepare statement, you know, prepare call, you know, set auto commit, you know, get auto commit I used, and set save point I used, commit I used, rollback. Of course, release save point I not used. At the ending, you can write con dot release save point, save point will be deleted. Close I used. I used all the 10 methods, no? By plan only I written. Because student has to remember these 10 methods. Right? Okay. With this, transaction management completed theoretically in your hand. After that, we are going for connection pooling, batch processing, scrollable result set, and row set. 4 concepts are there. Correct. Again, they are small concepts only. Right? If I execute correct time up to 1 o'clock, another concept also will be completed. So Monday, I'll increase the level. This week, very slow I gone. Comparatively gone very slow. So Monday, I'll use your 2 hours time. For 2 days, automatically 4 concepts will be ended. Got it right? Can we take a break? Assignment solution is pending. I'll write in some other day before going to Servlet. If anybody written update, yesterday somebody asked, sir, 2 rows are there. It is not updating. I'll show that to you. So meanwhile, 3 students asked me that question. Okay, right. I'll give the solution. By Tuesday, I'll give it. Monday, we are having connection pooling concept. Monday, connection pooling concept with batch processing. First 40 minutes connection pooling, next half an hour batch processing, right? That is Monday class. Tuesday class is nothing but result set has 2 types. We are moving the cursor in one direction, no? We are moving the cursor in one direction or not now? We can move the cursor in 2 directions also, scrollable. We can move it. So how to move the cursor in 2 directions? That's called scrollable result set. Then the result set is having one child, that is row set. So Tuesday we are discussing about result set and row set. Got it right? And Wednesday pending is there. 1 or 2 pendings will be there with us. Wrapper, one notes not covered. Auto closable notes not covered. Type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. Oral notes not covered. That we do it on Wednesday and close it. From there we enter into Servlet. That's the plan. Right. Take a break. Thank you very much for this week. We are meeting on Monday.